For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Your ultimate grooming companion in the fast-paced world of today, personal grooming plays a crucial role in making a lasting impression. For men, maintaining a well-groomed appearance can be both time-consuming and costly, especially with regular visits to the barbershop. Enter the Kamei Hair Trimmer KM032, a versatile and efficient grooming kit, designed to meet all your haircutting and beard trimming needs from the comfort of your home. Design and build quality. Its sleek and ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during use. Crafted with precision, the trimmer boasts a sturdy build, reflecting its durability and long-lasting performance. The device's compact size makes it convenient for travel, ensuring you can maintain your grooming routine wherever you go. Powerful performance. Equipped with a high-performance motor, it delivers exceptional cutting power, making it suitable for all hair types, from fine to coarse. The sharp stainless steel blades ensure a smooth and precise cut every time, reducing the risk of nicks and cuts. Whether you're shaping your beard, trimming your hair, or even styling sideburns, this trimmer handles it all with ease. Versatility and functionality. One of the standout features is its versatility. The grooming kit includes multiple attachments, catering to various grooming needs. The adjustable combs allow you to choose different length settings, providing flexibility in styling. Whether you prefer a close shave or a longer trim, the trimmer also features a built-in precision dial, enabling you to fine-tune the cutting length with ease. This level of customization ensures you achieve your preferred look every time. Additionally, it's designed for both corded and cordless use, providing the convenience of uninterrupted grooming sessions. The rechargeable battery offers extended usage, ensuring the trimmer is always ready when you need it. User-friendly features. The trimmer's intuitive controls make it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. The LED indicator displays the battery status, ensuring you're never caught off guard with a dead trimmer mid-session. Cleaning the device is a breeze, thanks to the detachable blades and washable attachments, promoting hygiene and longevity. Conclusion and summary. The Kamei Hair Trimmer KM032 is a top-tier grooming kit, designed to meet the diverse needs of modern men. Its powerful motor, sharp blades, and versatile attachments make it an all-in-one solution for haircuts, beard trims, and more. With its user-friendly features, durable build, and cost-effective nature, the KM032 stands out as a